Hi there, welcome to my channel Star Food. Today we are baking a delicious chocolate moist cake that's so soft and tender it will melt in your mouth. So let's get started. So firstly on a bowl, place a sieve, then put 1 and 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Next add some cocoa powder and some baking powder and baking soda. Then sieve all these dry ingredients. Then keep the bowl aside. On another bowl, crack 2 room temperature eggs, then add some brown sugar and some regular sugar. Put half teaspoon of salt. Add aroma by pouring some vanilla essence. Next, pour half cup of vegetable oil, then make a coffee syrup requires 1 teaspoon of coffee powder and half teaspoon of hot water. The coffee syrup will help to enhance better the taste of the chocolatey flavor. Then using a whisk, mix this all ingredients. Then pour 1 cup of buttermilk, then again whisk. Then gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture. While incorporating the ingredients together, make sure you don't overmix the batter. Mix only for until you no longer see any more lumps. Then pour the batter on 7.5 inches tray. At a preheated oven, bake the chocolate moist cake batter at 170 Celsius temperature for 30 to 35 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. Then let the cake rest until it becomes room temperature. Once the chocolate moist cake has cooled to room temperature, you can pipe some delicious tasty chocolate buttercream on top or enjoy the cake just as it is. For the chocolate buttercream recipe, check out the link in the description below. There you have it, our delicious chocolate moist cake. Slice it up and enjoy every bite. Whether you prefer it plain or topped with rich chocolate buttercream, it's sure to be a hit. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Happy baking and see you next time on Star Food.